Jimmy jendat ki noilam ka Voice of the People Party VPP na ka Ïingdorbar senrai ha ka arpu khandai tarik nailar arja arpusau kum kadak ka jing persya ya ka rai ban ailat yo menteri katanat puli puthi urakam e sangma un jawab hayang Ïingdorbar Khlem dale ai persya yo halor ka jing kno baudan banta ban kren penya pher jat benriu uba Prestone tensong usumbut menteri rangba ka jala ulaang pakalong kum ka jing kno shimet yo menteri bat kat kum ka rules of procedure and conduct of business ban penmi kum kitu ki kentien kalong ka bamya hap satya habakran sikilat pathai kubor dien ka Ïingdorbar uba Prestone ulaang Khlem ka Sabut ka bala ai da ka yeng ka shari halor ka ni ka jing kno kalong ka bamya hap satya nolor ka tau ulaang ru kambha banyale drama kumne nrelada don ki kidai banya kran bat ka sarkar lane ban kendu yu shimet.
You see, whatever you do inside the house, my humble request to all the honorable members, we have to be guided by the book, by the rules of procedure and conduct of business, that we are always being guided by that. Right from 1972 till now, till today, we are being guided by them, by the rule of procedure and conduct of business. So I think, how you use the language, how you use the wording, I think it is very, very important that it should be accordance to the rules, because in the rules it already specified everything. How you present yourself, how you talk, how you use the wording. If it is unparliamentary, then we have to expunge it. If again it is, a personal attack to any honorable member again inside the house, unless you have the substantial evidence in the sense that the court has already condemned or the court has convicted or this, that, then only you can say something. Otherwise, just come to a conclusion by saying that like that. I think that is not fair.
What is the status of the FIR against the minister?
Well, I'm not aware, because see, that too, I don't know. Once the FIR is registered, means the case will take its own course. So, because just today only I came to know that the FIR has been filed. So since the FIR has been filed, nobody can disturb that. Let the inquiry start.
So, but the claim of the party is that the law is not equal for ministers and all, action is not being taken. Hence, they feel that it should be on record that they boycott the education minister.
That's why they took it up.
I think see, rather doing a drama like this over here, I think it is good that you meet the government. Eh? You can even come and meet me, because see, for this kind of FIR, we cannot just say to the IO or to the police station that, hey, don't register or do this, because again they have to follow as per the law. So I cannot say that just because I'm the home in charge means I can do anything, I can manipulate anything. It's not like that.
Kumno ba raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Ha ta.
Ba ukau iu unia.
Kong uni udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdei ubabha.
Kong kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam bat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngengat haki babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhaw ata kamlu kadut bat ke amkhnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki batei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. but lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba, uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne eh.
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS. Kabha na kabenta upaj ba. Ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na kabenta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw batang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni Shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba, pikiran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.